Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disarm traps in Ready or Not. All right, for example, when we check on this door right here, when we'll look up, we'll be able to see a tripwire, or basically a trap. Now, how do we disarm it? Well, basically, all you have to do first is just open up the door. Let's peek. All right, as you can see here, just move your mouse until you can see this particular pop-up. It says here, press F to equip wire cutters. Let's go ahead and do so. F, and then tap and hold on the fire button. As you can see here, it is now disarming. That's basically how you do it. All right. Another way to do so, if you're having problem disarming it, just go ahead and stand back. Now you can go ahead and fire at it, or if you do have a grenade, you can just go ahead and do so. Fire at it. All right, and just wait for it to explode. It's basically how you disarm a trap or tripwire in Ready or Not. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.